In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. By the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we have covered the previous chapter, and it was about the sounds of language, like phonetics and its types, manner of articulation, place of articulation, and how sounds are produced in form. So today we are going to start the new chapter, and it is about the sounds patterns of language, and it is actually phonology. Listeners and audience, today our topic is phonology. That what is phonology? What is the importance of phonology? And what actually phonology is? Listeners and audience, you know, in linguistics we are talking about different perspectives, dimensions, and its branches. Like we are talking about in linguistics semantics. Semantics, which is the study of meanings. Syntax, which is the study of the structure of the sentence. Morphology, which is the study of the formation of words or the structure of words. Similarly, we are also talking about linguistics, socio-linguistic, macro-linguistic, micro-linguistic, psycholinguistics, and another branches. However, to connect this topic with the previous one, you know, in morphology we talk about the structure of the word, while in syntax we talk about the structure of the sentence. And semantics we are talking about the meanings of the sentence. But here in phonology we are talking about the structure of the sound. That what is the structure of different sounds? So, phonology deals with the structure of sounds, that how sounds are organized. It is the organization of sounds of a language. It is the system of a language. It is the system of sounds of a language. And it is also the study of the patterns of different sounds. That how these sounds they are organized, and how these sounds they change from one position and to another, how these sounds they change their voices and sounds in different contexts. It also deals that one letter, it has one sound with one word, with one syllable, but the same letter when it has been written with another language, with another syllable and with another word, it has another meaning and it has another sound. So it is about phonology. Listeners and audience, in phonology we will talk about, for example, phonemes, minimal pairs. Related to this, morph, allomorph, even changes in the sounds, etc. However, coming back to phonology, as I talk about that phonology, it is the organization of different sounds, that how sounds they are organized. It is the study of the system of pattern of sounds. Listeners and audience, now I'm going to share with you some examples that you know that how the study of phonology is important. You know, I'm sharing with you two examples. One example is related to one word and another example is related to another word. Though the words they are different, but I have used same letters in the words which produced different sounds. For example, one word I'm going to share with you that is about bags. The spelling is B-A-K-E-S, bags. Another word is waves, W-A-V-E-S, waves. So now see, in the past word which ends with the S letter, so here it produced the sound S sound or S sound. So for example, we say bags. On the other hand, another word is also ends with the same letter, but it is produced another sound. For example, waves. So here waves end with the S sound, with S letter, but it produced Z sound, waves. So listeners and idols, this is about phonology. That in phonology, in phonology we deals with the organization of sounds. That whenever a sound is written with one word, it changes its meaning, it changes its position, it changes its context, and it's also changed its pronunciation and sound as well. So that's why in the upcoming classes we will talk about the different types of phonology. Thank you.